The building that you see right there is ITC Royal Bengal and our destination for the day. Hello everyone and welcome back to Shantani's Diary. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are heading towards ITC Royal Bengal and we are here in a package with complimentary lunch, complimentary dinner and complimentary breakfast tomorrow along with one night stay. So let's go. In this video I am going to give you ITC Royal Bengal hotel tour, our room tour and also tell you about the package that we had chosen. And of course, you'll know the cost at which you can enjoy your special day with your special ones at ITC Royal Bengal. So keep watching the video till the end. And as you can see, we have already arrived at ITC Royal Bengal. Let me just quickly complete my check-in formalities and get back to you. And by that time, you subscribe to Shantani's Diary, hit the like button and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any notification from Shantani's Diary. Just as we arrived, we were welcomed by a sanitizer and thermal checker. And after that is done, we have now stepped into ITC Royal Bengal. And look how beautiful it is. Just as you enter, take the first right and that will lead you to the lobby area where you can complete your check-in formalities. The check-in formalities were pretty simple. We had already done our web check-in yesterday and now we had to show our photo IDs. Also, we had to fill up a form with details like from where were we traveling, where is our next destination, our purpose of visit and so on. Okay, so we have completed our check-in formalities and now we are heading towards our room. The elevators were well equipped with sanitizers and also designated standing areas to ensure social distance. We had requested for a room at a higher floor with a city view. So let's see if they have given us that. Our room for the next 22 hours is 5204. The room is not on the 52nd floor, so they have a different floor numbering conventions here. The restaurant floor is marked as R, and in case you're just here for lunch or dinner, you won't have access to these floors. That is because in order to reach these floors, you have to swipe your room key at the elevator, only then will you be able to reach these floors. Also, the corridors are well marked with the room numbers, so that will help you in navigation and you won't find yourself lost in the hotel. As you can see, the room is sanitized and sealed for us.
Well, here we go. So this is our room 5204, ITC Royal Bengal, Kolkata. So just as you enter, on the right side there is a beautiful painting, left side latrine. So it's a standard washroom that you see in any 5-star hotel. And here comes the room. So here one interesting thing is their bathing area and the latrine area, so they have separated. Okay. So here goes the bathroom. So all the toiletries, it's very beautiful setup. And it's a see-through. So from your bathroom you can see the bedroom. There's a beautiful bathtub. And it is curtained obviously, so you can pull the curtain down. And here there's a wardrobe section. So they have given pillows wardrobe, sleepers, and many racks are there for storage. And yeah, so this is the electronic storage. There is a locker actually, so you can keep your valuable belongings. So these are the normal racks, and there is another side of it, so where you have iron table, some cushions, and this is a bedroom. So here you have a king size bed, and our special guest for the day is sitting enjoying at the sofa. So here you have table, and this is your study table, so if you have work, so you can do it over there. And this is the TV, and this is the wardrobe actually, so where you can keep your dresses. So it's a big wardrobe. And so now I'll take you, yeah, before showing you the view from the window, so let me show another special thing. This, so you have sufficient amount of cutleries, okay, water, tea, coffee, milk. So the best part of this hotel is the decoration part, which I like, because these are the things, most of these facilities you will find in any other hotel, but what I am finding special in ITC is the decoration part, okay. So you can see how beautiful the bed is, okay, and the way they have decorated things, and it's really nice. And there is a TV, and as you enter and as you turn on the TV, so you will see your name reflecting over it with one welcome message, and that's really nice. So this is like, you can keep your blazer, you can keep your suit here for handy, a wallet, mobile. And this is the main thing. So the entire, all the lights, AC, everything is automated, so you can control it from there. So you have one home option, okay, so I need to figure it out. So you have one home option, so from there actually, so if you see the master button, so if I just click here, see everything went off, right, lights went off. So if I again click here, so light will turn on. So that's how it is, and it is completely customized. It's showing my name because I have checked in, and you can control your TV channel from here. So I have to explore it later sometime. And here is a view. It's a beautiful view of the city Kolkata, Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. And I have been through this flyover uncountable times when I used to work here, and yeah, it's really good to see the flyover from this angle. So now we are going to go for our lunch. So our package includes, it's American plan actually, so that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner. So when you book, you have to be very specific about your plan. You can choose, you can choose either breakfast plus lunch or dinner, or maybe full meal. So we came to enjoy our special day, so that's why we thought to book the entire meal. So yeah, so we'll come up with more videos about the lunch and dinner part. So till then, thank you.
The check-in time at ITC Royal Bengal Kolkata is 2 p.m. but we arrived at around 1 to 1:15 p.m. and they gave us an early check-in. Early check-in is always subjected to availability. It's lunchtime now and we are here at Grand Market Pavilion for lunch. In our package we could choose a buffet or preset meals, and we chose buffet spread at Grand Market Pavilion. The place was quite full with diners and in-house guests enjoying a sumptuous buffet spread. In this video, I am not reviewing the food at Grand Market Pavilion, as you get tons of videos on the same. The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the package, the hotel, room and the COVID safety measures in place. So here, I am not going into the detailed review of the food. After enjoying a sumptuous lunch at Grand Market Pavilion, it was time to explore the hotel a bit more, and you are coming along. Every nook and corner of this hotel is beautifully decorated and gives you a royal feeling. Post lunch, we decided to explore the poolside, the gym, and other floors in the hotel. In my next video, I'll take you to the poolside and the gym and also give you a night view of this beautiful hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video at ITC Royal Bengal, Kolkata, and if you have, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Shayantani's Diary. Also, share this video with your friends and family if they are planning to spend their special day at ITC Royal Bengal. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, and there I'll tell you the overall package and the cost of it. Also, I'll let you know our experience of staying at ITC Royal Bengal, Kolkata, and was it worth the money that we spent. And until we meet again, do take care and bye-bye.